All right, guys, the next thing that we're going to talk about is a couple of methods that you can use with your dictionaries. So we're going to start very simple. We're going to use a couple of things that we're going to see here on the documentation. So we're going to start with clear. So let's say you wanted to clear out all of the keys inside of this dictionary. So what you would do is you would say users dot clear, and then come here, and there you go. As you can see, so users is actually just a dictionary, but it has no keys, it has no values. All right. Now let's say you wanted to pop just a name from a dictionary, then you will actually come here and use pop. So you say pop, and then now you will put in the key. So you say name, and when you run that, you will notice that name is no longer inside of this dictionary. All right. So that's what pop does. Another one that's useful is update. So let's say, for example, you have another dictionary, or you have a couple of keys that you want to actually merge with this dictionary. Well, basically you can use update. So you can come here and say update, and then pass in inside of it a dictionary where you will say, for example, let's say car, and you say SUV, pro, you'll say sexiest pro, okay, and let's say houses, let's say 2, all right, or you can put in the number 2, okay, and then you wanted to merge this dictionary with this dictionary, right? Very simple. What you would do is you will say, okay, I'm gonna run this, and as you can see, automatically it merges both of them together. You see, you got car, SUV, pro, 6 years pro, houses 2. And what's cool about this too is if you wanted to merge, like let's say for example city, right? You wanted to overwrite city with something new, so you will say, okay, city, and you say city, and instead of having it Queens, you say New Haven. Okay, now you run that, and as you can see, the city became New Haven, and you also have all of your other keys added to this dictionary. All right, now let's go back to here to the documentation. Now let's say you wanted to get a list of all of the keys inside of the dictionary. Then you can use keys. So you can come here, and instead of saying update, I could come here and actually say users dot keys. Make sure you put an S, plural, and basically we can take this and put it here. We can actually delete this, and as you can see, it basically returned back a dict keys with a list of all the different keys inside of them, right? Now we could come here and say something like this. We could actually convert that into a list by saying list, and then put in parentheses and saying user.keys, right? And then now we actually have a list in here, okay? So that's one of the ways to do it. You can pretty much do the same thing as with values, right? It's the same thing. And you come and say, sorry about that. You can say like this, values. And then what it does, it basically gives you all of the values inside of this dictionary. Now, let's say you wanted to find out how many keys are in there or how many values are in there. You could come here and say like this. You could come and say len, and that will return back a value of a number. So as you can see, it says 8. All right. Same thing if you was to come here and say keys, it says 8. So that's in case for whatever reason you might say, hey, I want to know exactly how many values I have inside of this dictionary. How many keys do I have inside of this dictionary? Sometimes you might need things like that in your code. So at least you know exactly how to do it. All right. So I'm going to see you guys later. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's your boy Joe back at it.